XRP holder, this is an emergency update, my brother, for all of you. So kindly don't skip any second of this video. I predicate this coin, I do technical analysis, and I share my opinion in this video to sell, hold or buy. Let's get started this brand video. But kindly before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel, press the bell icon for videos notifications. So thank you so much who's subscribing our YouTube channel now. My brother, if you know, the XRP will completely, my brothers, moving upward from last 7 days, definitely, my friend, because in last 1 month, my friend, all currencies is completely phased down. So therefore, my friend, one of the unique coins, XRP and Cardano, my friends, Dogecoin, this stuff coins is just an only, my friend, very unique coin. They starting upward now and those days. So therefore, I am so happy, I'm so excited to see this. But absolutely, my friend, what's the reasons to this coin starting upward now? The reasons is that to after or fails, every cryptocurrency take a very huge jumps now. So it's mean, my brothers, to in last previous days, my friend, these coins, my friend, are very badly falls down. But after that, as you can see here, this time today, they will give you a very good profit now, and they completely go in the moon now. So my brother, if we check out the last 2.5 hour chart, then we understand to what's going on in the last 2.5 hour. So let's see. But kindly holders, you can see at this time the change occur minus 0.22%. So it's mean to this coin is fails down now, my friend. So what's the reason to this coin is fails down? The reason is that, my friends, you can see here popularity. So this time you can see here holder, if they are hold, then absolutely they starting upward. But if they are they cannot hold it, so definitely this coin is fails down. So I just alert you, my brothers, to don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope XRP price will be increased now one day, so therefore you need to hold and wait for a good time. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.